Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry it has been an embarrassingly long time since I have posted any full videos. I have done just a couple of short really TikToks or YouTube shorts, and that's been all I've really posted. I hadn't really put a lot of my energy into filming lately. I have only really made a couple of projects in the last several months, but we are hitting winter time and I wanted to put in a little bit of whimsy in this winter and make something fun that doesn't seem very practical, but I have the fabric for it and it's something that I've wanted to do for a while. I actually had a student who was wearing a cloak during one of our dress-up days, and I was like, I have a pattern and I really want to make one. So long story long, sorry, we are making a cloak today, and I hope that you guys have fun and you enjoy, and I can't wait to show it off, and hopefully we'll get some good snow that I can show it off in. So fingers crossed for that. For this project, I'm using Simplicity's 5794 cloak costume pattern. Both the front and back pieces had extenders to make the costume be its full length. So instead of cutting those out and lining them up perfectly, I went ahead and traced over a full-size pattern piece. By doing that, I only then had 4 pattern pieces to work with. My fabric wasn't big enough though for the back pieces, and I had to cut it on the cross grain. So I do have some concern about this fabric stretching and warping out of shape over time. I was really excited to use this fabric though because it came from my best friend. Her grandma had passed away and the family generously blessed me with a bunch of her fabric and sewing patterns, and I was really excited to be able to use this and create a fun project. I began this project like I would any of my other ones where I stay stitched the neckline to help prevent the neckline shape from warping or sagging. After stay stitching the neckline, I lined up my outer pieces and sewed along the back center seam. Then I attached the front pieces at the shoulders and sewed all the way down the sides as well. So this is kind of like my poncho project that I did 3-4 years ago almost now. So everything that I'm doing with the outer pieces, I'm also doing the same exact thing with the lining at the same time, but I'm only really going to show one or the other because it's just the same exact process. At this point, it had really started to ice and snow, and I got really excited, so I was trying to hurry up and finish this project. For the next step, had to attach the ties and then sew together the hood along the back seam. With excitement for the snow, I began to really pick up the pace. I sewed together the hood onto the cloak itself. was then time for the longest part of the project, where I had put the lining and the outer layers together, right sides together, sewed all the way around, leaving an opening at the bottom of the cloak so I could turn it all right side out afterward. I would say this was completed with only a minimal amount of frustration when the bobbin began to run out of thread. No! 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 With that outburst behind us, I went ahead and finished sewing up around the outside, but instead of trimming all the corners and clipping the curves, I just took my serger to cover all of those raw edges before flipping it inside out. After turning the project inside out, I top stitched around the entire cloak and closed up the opening where we turned everything out, and it was ready to be worn, and I'm so excited, so let's see how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I super appreciate it. If you like watching my content and you want to see more, please feel free to like, subscribe, comment on this video. It will help get it out there for other people to see, to be able to enjoy as well. I appreciate you guys all so much. If you'd like to see more, I'll go ahead and throw in a couple of videos over here on the side. I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye!